Today we're going over the Harbor Freight Super Coupon Sale that's going on from March 23rd to April 13th, and that's coming up next year on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back, everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, it's that time again. We got some brand new super coupons to look over, so let's go ahead and get started. And we'll be starting off with the air tools and compressors category here, and the first thing we got is a Merlin straight air chuck with a lock-on lever, $329, 17% off. As you guys know, if you follow the channel, our threshold is 15%, because usually you can get 15, 20, and 30% coupons throughout the year, so that's not too bad of a deal there. Next up, we got the Merlin 32-ounce air compressor oil for $7.99, 20% off. That's a good deal. And now we got some more consumables here, and I always say, now is the time to buy your consumables. We got the Chief 3-inch by 1/16 inch by 3/8 inch Type 1/41 cutoff wheel pack, and that's a 5-pack. You got $3.99, 33% off. That is a very good deal to pick those up. Then we got the Chief 4-inch by 1/16 by 3/8 inch Type 1/41 cutoff wheels 5-pack for $5.99, 25% off. Great time to buy these. Starting off this row, we got the McGraw 20-gallon, 135 PSI oil lube vertical shop auto compressor for $209.99, $40 off. That seems like a pretty decent deal on that one. Then we got the Central Pneumatic 3/8 inch by 50-foot retractable hose reel, $66.99, 25% off. That's a decent deal on that. And then we got our brand new product here from Earthquake. We got the 1-inch composite pistol grip air impact wrench for $279.99, $50 off. Next up here is one of my favorite categories, Automotive. We'll see what we got on this one. First off, we've got the Pittsburgh R134A AC manifold gauge set for $49.99, $23 off. That's a pretty good deal on that one. Then we got Daytona 2,500-pound capacity professional steel vehicle dollies 2-piece set, $64.99, 26% off. That's a good deal. Then we got the Icon with a 1-year replacement T8 professional intelligent diagnostic scanner for $849.99, $50 off. Not too bad of a deal, I guess, on that one. They're comparing that one to the Snap-on one. Then we got the Pittsburgh 2.5 CFM vacuum pump for $79.99, $15 off. Looks like they're getting ready for AC season here with these two things, the gauges and the vacuum pump. Starting off this row, we got something new from Maddox. We got the MR16 Advanced 4.3-inch screen OBD2 code reader for $229.99, only $20 off. Something brand new. I would like to see a little bit more than 20, maybe 30 would be pretty good. Leave a comment down below on what you think, and they're comparing that one to a Snap-on also. Then we got the Pittsburgh 20-ton hydraulic low profile bottle jack for $44.99. 25% off. That is a good deal. I actually need to pick one of these bottle jacks up sometimes. I ran into a use for it a couple weekends ago, so now I definitely think I need to get one. Then we got a Pittsburgh 300-pound ATV lawnmower lift for $109.99, $30 off. That seems like a decent deal. And then we got the McPherson Strut spring compressor set from Maddox here for $24.99, 34% off. That is a great deal. I've always thought of taking the springs off the struts is a little dangerous, so I prefer to do quick struts, but that's just me. Leave a comment down below. Do you just buy regular struts and change the springs out, or do you just buy quick struts? I like not messing with the spring and having new mounts and everything. Starting off this row, we got the Badlands ZXR 12,000-pound truck and SUV winch with a wire rope, $299.99, $50 off. That seems to be a decent deal. Then we got the Viking 1000 peak amp multi-function jump starter and power pack with 150 psi compressor for $79.99. Only $20 off. Yeah, maybe $25, $30 would be a better deal. And then we got the Badlands ZXR 3,500-pound UTV power sports winch, and it comes with the load holding brake. That is a very handy thing. It's for $129.99, but it's only $10 off. I'd like to see maybe 15 or 20 on that. Leave a comment down below on what you think about that, if that's a good deal or not, at $10 off. Then we got the Hallmaster 750 pound capacity folding cargo carrier for $99.99, $20 off. And then finishing out this section, we got the Viking 1700 peak amp portable car battery jump starter with a power pack for $159.99, $30 off. And finally, we have the Hallmaster 400 pound capacity receiver mount with aluminum motorcycle carrier for $144.99, $15 off. Now we're moving into generators and plumbing, and the first thing we got here is a bundle deal. Buy a 100-watt solar panel kit, get 30% off, and an additional 100-watt solar panel. That seems like a pretty good deal. Then we got a Predator 3-inch 301cc gas engine, full trash water pump, 23,000 gallons per hour, $799.99, $100 off on that. Then we got the Drummond 1.6 horsepower submersible utility pump, 1600 GPM for $54.99, 24% off. That seems like a good deal on that. And then we got their 3/4 horsepower submersible utility pump, stainless steel construction, 4400 GPH on that for $159.99, $30 off. Now we got the Jupiter 3000 watt continuous, 6000 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter for $279.99, $20 off. Once again, maybe a little bit more and that would be a better deal. Then we got the Western Safety emergency rain slicker for $299, 21% off. Not bad deal on that. Next up here we got hand tools, and the first thing we got is a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty offset box and wrench set, 8-piece, your choice, $14.99, 21% off, and they do got it in metric and standard here. That's a very nice set to have. And the thing I like about the box ends is it's always good to break bolts loose with a box end. Then next here we got a Quinn lifetime replacement, 1/2-inch drive, SAE and metric chrome socket and ratchet set, 21-piece for $24.99, 24% off. That's a pretty good deal. Then we got a Pittsburgh lifetime replacement, 8-pound fiberglass sledgehammer, $19.99, 25% off. That's another good deal. And then next up here we have the Pittsburgh lifetime replacement screwdriver set, 22-piece. I think this is the most complete screwdriver set that Harbor Freight offers. The only other one is a Quinn. I think it's a 15-piece, and I have the Quinn one and I like it. But if you're looking for a lot of screwdrivers and you don't care about them, and they got a lifetime replacement, $7.99, 33% off, this is a great time to pick this up. Starting off this row, we got Quinn lifetime warranty 1/2-inch drive chrome deep socket set, 10-piece on that one. Once again, your choice, a metric or standard, $14.99, 21% off. That is a good deal on that. Then next up here, we got Icon lifetime replacement professional universal joint socket adapter set, 3-piece, $29.99, 25% off. That's not a bad deal. I picked these up when they had the 35% off of the sockets, and I've used them a couple of times, and I've had no issues with them. Then we got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 16-ounce ball peen hammer for $3.99, 33% off. That's a good deal. Next up here, we got lighting and specialty, and first off, we've got a Armstrong 37-inch to 70-inch large tilt flat panel TV mount for $14.99, 34% off. That's a good deal. Then we got a U Company 1.51 cubic foot electric lock gun floor safe. This one is going to be $129.99, saving you $20 off. Then we got a Braun 1400 lumen hands-free rechargeable headlamp for $27.99, 20% off. That's a decent deal. And then we got another Braun 845 lumen LED rechargeable underhood work light for $23.99, 20% off. That's a good deal also. Then finishing out this section, we got something brand new from Braun. We got the 1300 lumen rechargeable waterproof flashlight for $79.99, but it's only 11% off. I would pass on that one. Now we're moving to outdoor, and first thing we got here in outdoor is a Cover Pro 10 foot by 20 foot portable carp canopy for $119.99, $10 off. I would like to see a little bit more than that. Then we got a Bauer 3000 PSI 1.1 GPM brushless max performance electric pressure washer for $339.99, $40 off. That seems to be a good deal on that. Next up here, we got the One Stop Gardens 1,000-pound capacity mesh deck steel wagon for $79.99, 11% off, I would pass on that. And the same thing with this Portland 3.8 amp 13 inch electric string trimmer, $28.99, only 12% off. I would skip that also. Now we're to another favorite category of mine, power tools. And the first thing we got here is a Braun 7.5 amp half inch low speed spade handle drill mixer for $49.99, 23% off. Then we got a Bauer 15 amp 3.8 horsepower 14 inch abrasive cutoff saw, $119.99, $40 off. Then we got the Meguiar's 32 ounce mirror glaze pro speed compound, $24.99, 16% off. Then we got a Bauer 4 volt cordless quarter inch screwdriver with an integrated flashlight kit with 4-bit insert bits, and a wall charger, $16.99, right at our cutoff of 15%. Starting off this row, we got a Grand's 5 inch to 6 inch Terry microfiber and fleece polishing bonnets 4-pack, $3.99, 33% off. That's a good deal. Then we got a Warrior 1 inch to 2.5 inch carbon steel hole saw set, 10 piece, $9.99, 16% off. Then we got some more stuff from Warrior. We got the 18 inch ship auger bit set, 3 piece, $16.99, 15% off, right at our cutoff. And then we got a Grand 7 inch rotary pad, $7.99, and you're getting it for 33% off. Not a bad deal. And you got all these as an option down here. Next up here, we got something from Warrior, and I always mention this in every video. Warrior is Harbor Freight's bargain basement brand. Personally, I would not spend the money on it. If you're only looking to use it once or twice, maybe, but for longevity, I would pass on them. But what we got here is a 15 amp 10 inch table saw for $139.99, and it's only $10 off. I would definitely like to see more on that on something iffy like this. Then we got a Diamondback 15 amp 10 inch wet tile saw with a sliding table and extended rip capacity for $59.99, only $20 off. Once again, I'd like to see a little bit more than that. Then we got a Hercules 15 amp 42 pound 1 1/8 inch hex lower wall breaker hammer with maximum vibration control for $449.99, $50 off. And then we got some more consumables here from Bauer, the 5 inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding disc 5-pack, $449, 25% off. That's a good deal on that for consumables. Starting off this row, we got a Hercules 14.5 amp 23 pound SDS Max type Demolition hammer with a maximum vibration control for $349.99, $50 off. Next up here, we got a Bauer 8.5 amp 1 inch SDS Plus type variable speed rotary hammer, $89.99, $25 off. And then we got a Bauer 8 amp 4.5 inch trigger grip angle grinder for $29.99, only 14% off. If you need it, I would say get it, even though it's under the 15%. But if you're just buying it because you want one, I would wait until you got a better coupon. And the same thing with this. Bauer carbide router bit set, 15 piece for $32.99. It's only 13% off. I would probably wait unless you absolutely need it. Starting off this row, we got the Bauer 5.3 amp half inch by 18 inch band file belt sander for $44.99, 18% off. That's not a bad deal. And then once again, we got a bargain basement Warrior 7 amp 3 inch by 21 inch variable speed belt sander, $29.99, only 14% off. If you need it, get it. But being a Warrior, I would pass, but that's just me. Then we got a Hercules 20 volt 2.5 inch brushless cordless variable speed compact bandsaw tool only, $89.99, $20 off. Seems like a decent deal on that one. And then we got another Hercules 12 amp speed fixed base router with the plunge base kit, $99.99, $20 off. Seems like a decent deal. Starting off this row, we got a Chicago Electric. Once again, they're kind of bargain basement. I'd watch it on there unless you really need it. 7.5 amp 3 1/4 planer with dust bag for $42.99, 14% off, a little bit below our threshold. That's up to you if you guys need it. Then we got the Hercules 4.5 inch by 5.5 inch quarter sheet sandpaper with the ceramic Alumigrain 5-pack for $1.99, 50% off. That is a great time to buy this consumable. Next up here, we got shop and garage, and the first thing we got here is going to be the Franklin 2-in-1 convertible hand truck, 800 pound to 600 pound capacity. That is going to be $79.99, $20 off. Then we got the Franklin 18-inch by 1,000 foot high performance stretch wrap for $24.99, and that's 16% off. Then we got an Icon 400 pound capacity 43-inch professional creeper for $109.99, $30 off on that one. Then we got a Central Pneumatic 1.5 gallon gravity feed texture air spray gun for $19.99, 33% off. That's a decent deal on that. Next up here, we got a Hallmaster 10-inch pneumatic swivel caster for $15.99, 15% off. Then we got a Hallmaster 15-inch worry-free tire with a polyurethane hub, $29.99, under our threshold of 14%. Same thing with this Avante here. We got the premium paint kit, 9-piece, best quality, $13.99, but it's only 12% off, so I would pass on that also. Then we got a Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 48-inch box frame level for $11.99, 20% off. That's a decent deal. Then starting off this row, we got another Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 9-inch solid aluminum level for $7.99, 20% off. That's a decent deal. And we got more Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 24-inch box frame level for $8.99, 18% off. And then we're going to go to the last thing in this section here that's also a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, the 24-inch solid aluminum level for $16.99, right at our cutoff of 15%. And then in the next category we got here is storage, and the first thing we've got over here in storage is going to be the US General 5-outlet magnetic power strip with a metal housing and the 2 USB ports for $26.99, 20% off. That's not a bad deal, and you got these 9 colors here, and they do got the new one in purple now. Next up here we got the Yukon 21-inch zipper utility pouch for $199, 33% off. That's a good deal. Then we got the Hercules 17-inch tool tote with 19 pockets for $27.99, 24% off. That's a good deal. Then we got the US General magnetic socket rail with twist lock, your choice, is going to be $17.99, 18% off. Lifetime warranty, and you get it in all the sizes. But as I say, you can go on Amazon and find better magnetic rails like this for cheaper, so go check out Amazon. Starting off this row, we got the Storehouse 30-bin wall mount parts rack for $14.99, 25% off. That's a good deal. Then we got the Bauer 18-inch roller tool bag for $69.99, 22% off. That's a good deal. And here's another good deal from Apache, 550 waterproof clear case, $9.99, 28% off. That's a good deal. Next up here we got welding and machinery, and the first thing we got here is a Hercules 15 amp 12.5-inch portable thickness planer for $349.99, $50 off. That doesn't seem too bad. Then we got the Bauer 10-inch 5-speed bench drill press with light for $139.99, $30 off. That seems like a decent deal. Next up here we got the Central Machinery 2.5-inch table swivel vise for $19.99, 13% off. I would hold off on that and get something better unless you need it. Then we've got a 0.8mm electric solder for $14.99 and 25% off. And finishing out our sale, we got a Doyle lifetime replacement 65-pound cast steel anvil for $119.99, and that is 20% off. And there you go. There is your super coupon deals from Harbor Freight from March 23rd to April 13th. I see a few things in there I wouldn't mind picking up. Some good deals, and once again, always some disappointments like there is in every sale. I would like to see more 15% up and higher, but that's just me, in my opinion. Leave a comment down below. Is there anything you're excited to pick up during here? Or anything that you see that's a disappointment? Leave that comment down below. I'd like to hear from you, and I like talking to you guys down in the comments. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. I do have affiliate accounts in there that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.